Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode at Carttitude. Now we are not at Carttitude, we are at Tesla in Trafford Center. We just collected this brand new Tesla Model I for full car PPF, Xpel PPF coverage, and will be conversion from gloss to stealth with some details on brake calipers, decals, but watch the video to see everything. I will stop talking now. The second project that we have in our studio this week is a Rover Defender. It's in at Carttitude for full paint correction, full ceramic coating, interior detail, wheels, windows, everything will be fully protected. What is special on this car? Have a lot of trims and ornaments all over the roof that need to be removed to be sure we have access for the best paint correction ever and the protection as well. Watch the process. Tesla Model Y is completed. It's here on the back. We did a full conversion from gloss paint to satin paint by installing Xpel Stealth PPF. It's backed up with 10 years warranty certificate. Everything is fully protected. We did the caliper restoration on red with black Tesla decals. All over the car is installed PPF. Here on these sections we did some gloss PPF. Inside display central console is fully protected. And by the way, the customer don't ask, but we applied ceramic coating on the wheels and brake calipers as well because it's Christmas and we need to surprise our customers with some little details, yeah? Cars look amazing. Just comment below, tell me what do you think. The Land Rover, the second project that we had this week, is already completed, was collected. The customer is all over the moon. The customer sent to us the second Land Rover. It's a classic one, safari truck, but this one will not be here on YouTube on full episode. You need to check our social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you will see some shorts, some reels with the work that we will do on this truck. There on the back is a classic Mini. It's already in progress, and now we push forward to complete all these projects. All the team will go for Christmas period and New Year on the annual leave, and we will see you in January. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.